Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find Tools folder, click on it and choose Clock. Now choose Agree in the pop-up and tap on this alarm icon at the bottom. At the top, Then click on this plus icon at the bottom and set up an hour. When you're ready, choose Repeat and select one of those options. Once daily, Monday to Friday, or Custom. I will go with Custom, so I have to click on it, set up days of the week manually and save them by tapping on OK. Then you need to click on Label and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. When you're ready, choose OK to save it. Then click on the switcher next to Vibrate when alarm sounds to disable or enable vibrations and tap on Ringtone. Over here, you can pick one of those melodies by tapping on the best one for you, like Fireflies, or choose all ringtones and tap on Apply next to the best one for you. I will go with Breeze. Then choose OK and go back. You can also choose all ringtones and this time tap on Choose Local Ringtones. Then choose Allow and pick one of those sources. I will go with File Manager. Now scroll all the way down, choose Agree and Continue, tap on Allow and pick music from your smartphone by tapping on the song that you wish to set up and saving it by clicking OK at the bottom. Now you need to click on Apply next to it, choose OK and go back. Click on Allow over here, go back again and save your alarm by clicking at the top right corner. Then just Allow one more time and as you can see my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, you need to click on the switcher next to it and select one of those options. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same one. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it, tap on Delete icon at the bottom and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!